Hello friends. So today we are going to make a first aid box. For this we will be needing a old box, some liquid glue, red color tape, a chart paper, some big scissors, a pen and a scale. So let's start. फ्रेंड्स अभी मैं लगा रही हूँ एक लिक्विड वाला ग्लू और मैंने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर हाफ फिनिश कर दिया है. हमें इसे अच्छे से लगाना है. Now I'm going to put the liquid glue. I'm using a brush to put the liquid glue. I have already finished half of it. We have to put it nicely so that it can stick to the paper. So now we will place this in between of this chart paper. So friends, now we will be needing a scale and a pencil. So we are going to make lines that we can cut it nice. So let's So friends, we are done by drawing the line in all the sides. Now we have to draw another line of 2 inch. We will put a cross mark where we are going to cut the paper. We are going to cut the paper over here and over here. So let's start cutting. So I have cutted it till here. Now we are going to cut over here. We have cutted this part. Now let's cut the other parts too. I'm putting a cross again that I can cut it. I have cut down all the sides. This is how it looks when we cut down all the sides. Now we are going to stick it. So friends, now I'm going to put the gum over here. So friends, I have put it the gum. Now I'm just going to stick this part. So friends, now I'm going to put it over here. I'm not going to cross this line. So now I'm going to put the gum. So friends, now I'm going to stick it. I've put in the glue. I will stick it inside. So friends, now I'm going to put it this side also. I have put it the glue over here and I'm going to press it this side. Now we are going to stick the other edge too. So now let's stick it. So friends, we are done, and when it is done, then it looks like this. How much neat it is, right? We have glued all the sides by the glue. You can use liquid glue or normal glue also. So we have to do this cap, the lid of this in the same process. So we are going to do the same process which we did with this for the cap. This time we will be needing a small paper for the cap. I am using the Hershey's Puppy box. If you want, you can use a different box. Comment down below which box you are using.
लॉक स्क्रीन कर देने से वो हिलता नहीं है कैमरा, इधर उधर ऐसे ब्लिंक नहीं करता.
So friends, now we are done. Here how the here is how the whole box looks. We are going to decorate the box that it can look like a real first aid box. Now I'm going to do the divider for this box. So over here we are going to wrap the paper in this cardboard. So now we are pasting the cardboard with the paper. Tin box को रख भी सकते हैं. Now we are going to decorate the box with red tape. You must be thinking why we would decorate this with red tape only. Because red is the symbol of the first aid box. Now my first aid box is complete. I can keep many medical things like Vaseline, medicines, tablets, cotton, bandage, and many more things.